Friends, today I will show you some trade using this MT4 magical indicator. So there is one signal is available. So I will go for 4 minutes from this level. Okay, this is very accurate signal. So see what happens this trade after 4 minutes this available. So I will show you after 4 minutes what happens this trade. Okay, I run this video. Only 40 seconds is remaining time, so almost is winning trade here. Okay, this is winning trade. I will give pre-signals in my Telegram channel. Telegram channel is available in all video description. Please join. You can uh, use signal in Telegram group. I will post every day from this day, so you can use it. Please join. There is no fee for signal. You can use it free. Okay. So I will wait for right opportunity to trade. Please also like. So after 200 like I will give this indicator free. Okay, after 200 like I will give this indicator free. So there is nothing. Okay, but I need confirmation to enter. Okay, I will enter this buy option because there is a order block, there is a buy signal appear, and also there is a buy candle. Okay, that's why I buy this trade. This is very accurate indicator. This winning ratio is according to me 85, 90 up to 90% is winning ratio. These signals are very powerful signals to trade with 4 minutes. Okay, this is also winning trade. After 200 like I will this indicator in group. Please join the group, Telegram group. Group is available in description. There is a trend line, there is a blue hammer. Okay, I will sell this trade because there is a trend line is available and there is a reversal candle is appear. From that level there is a trend line. That's why I sell this trade. Okay, see what happens. Always there is my entry is very too late entry. Okay, don't run this type of entry. Okay, okay, this is losing trade. Don't. Okay, I need confirmation to enter the trade. Okay, I sell this trade. Why? Because there is a trend line, there is a a small buyers are appear, because this is a very strong signal. Equality buyers are very low, that's why I will sell this pair, but my expiry is 1 minute from this level. I will wait for another one candle, no problem. If I enter in correct time, I will win this trade, but my expiry is 2 minute put, no problem. Please subscribe my channel for more updates like this video. Ten minutes is remaining. Okay, and also I will give some Parex signal in Telegram group using a stop loss and take profit method. You can use in demo account. Okay, this is winning trade. See what happens. There is a crossout, you can see there is a red line, and also there is a sell signal. That's why I sell this pair, but entry is too late. See what happens. Okay, this is losing trade. Don't worry, I will cover this trade. There is a sellers, there is a buyers. You can see these manipulations. I will buy this pair because there is a weak sellers available, there is a strong buyers available. After break this OB, that's still there is a buyers are fighting to enter in this trade. Okay, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will give this pre indicator after 200 like complete. Okay, in Telegram group. Thank you.